It's so many different questions. Those that are really simple, like a married couple should know. So for example, where did you meet? Where did you first meet? When did you meet? Where was your first date? Basically, if either one has children, when did you introduce the other to your child? Meeting of parents are questions that are also asked. I think the questions that can be much more detailed, and I tell people a lot of times, hey, the reality is that you're married and you're going through everyday life. Like people who are really married understand it's like the hustle and bustle of marriage, and there are things that you may not look at. So I tell people, they'll ask you, what color is your husband's toothbrush? So I tell people, listen, I understand that my husband brushed his teeth this morning, but I don't remember the color of his toothbrush. But these are things that I don't have to pay attention to, but someone who's actually requesting a green card do need to pay attention to those. So it's really important, like some of these questions, the color of toothbrushes, how many pillows are on the bed, how many pillows do you sleep on, how many pillows does your husband or your wife sleep on, what are the color of the sheets, when was the last time the sheets were changed, where is the hamper, which is I think a great question, right? Because some people get caught that way. Some people will be like, oh, it's in the bathroom, and other people will be like, no, it's in the closet. So again, if you're living together, then you should know the answer to these questions. But a lot of times you need to be reminded and prepared for it, because again, you're not expecting sometimes these detailed questions. Sometimes the questions can be somewhat, I would say, a little invasive, right? So they may ask you what type of birth control you're using, if any. Other times they'll ask, hey, what did your spouse wear to bed last night? And I've had people be like, well, they went to bed naked. And, sometimes I'm like, for the opposite.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.